morning. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning, good morning. By the morning, we are live once again. It is an amazing Tuesday, March the 10th, and it is 8 in the morning. And well, officially, we are here live once again. Type the word live down below in the white box if you are watching this microcast live. And if you're watching the replay, it doesn't matter. Also, here to the people who watch a replay, we send them a virtual hug. How you know if you're watching the live? Well, on this side right here, there should be a red box. If there's not a red box, that means that you're watching the replay. And remember, this video goes first in English and then in Spanish. Chicos, buenos días por la mañana. Recuerden que este video va primero en inglés y después en español. Ahí está. So everybody knows. Todos están enterados. ¿Qué tenemos para ustedes el día de hoy? Nada más, ahí veo que está ahí nada más y nada menos con nuestro compadre Francisco. Francisco es nuestro fan número 1, ¿no, señor productor? Siempre está ahí comentando y demás. Excelente, Francisco, muchísimas gracias. Déjame saber también dónde estás viendo esta transmisión. Let me also know, where are you tuning on this microcast? Are you in the US, in Australia? Are you watching in the Savage Real Estate Investors page or in the Imperiobnb? Also, down below, you're watching now, there's a little sign, super cool, telling you about our event about the week of the parts of our Airbnb. And this week, we are talking about the kitchen. Yesterday, I told you that we were going to bring you all this series about all the areas in your house, right? And we were going to bring you a list with everything that that area must have. And even I asked around here on Facebook, and several of my friends, they add some of their ideas. But first of all, if this is the first time that you're seeing one of my microcasts and you don't know me, let's type the number 1. In case that you have seen me before, well, easy and simple, let's type the number 2 down below, right here in the white box. In case that this is the first time that you're seeing one of my microcasts, you type the number 1 and you don't know me, well, let me introduce myself. My name is Sergio Mohar. I'm your super host leader right here in the Savvy Real Estate community, helping you to start or scale your Airbnb business from anywhere. There we go. Easy and simple like that. We're going to keep it like that. So what do we have for all of you today? Well, I want to share with everybody this amazing list, correct? This list has everything that you can think and imagine that someone can need on their Airbnb visit. It is right there. It has everything from plates, cutlery, the set of knives, the kitchen utensils, the cutting table, like everything what I'm saying. And you know what? I'm going to share my screen so you see what I am talking about. And this is something really cool because as you can see, there's the plates, cutlerware, silverware, correct? For wine, coffee maker, put the water bottle, the soap. So everything that you can think and need for the kitchen, it is right there for you to use, right? You're going to buy this. Even if you don't want to think about it, you just click here. But let's say that this one, the revolving jar with spices, click be on Amazon, and it takes you directly to Amazon so you can buy it in here. 1, 2, 3, book, and there you go. So every single thing that you need for your kitchen, a waffle maker, a sandwich maker, a toast oven, the mixer, blender, correct? Little towels, one for dry, one to clean, correct? Salt, pepper, everything that your kitchen needs, it is right here on this list. So I just share with you the link right down below. This is a cool website called Kit, right? You can find those right there on Kit. For example, there's a page of Imperiobnb, and this is our profile. Right here, at this moment, we have just the starter kit for your kitchen, okay? Airbnb kitchen starter kit and everything that you can find in Amazon. Easy and simple like that. So that's gonna be my gift for everybody of you today. There's your list complete. Go check them out. We're gonna have more lists like this for your bedroom, for the living room, for the dining room, everything, okay? So start enjoying that list, and remember, you can buy directly from there. So Guys, now we're gonna switch in English. Remember that if you like this microcast, on this side, there's the S button. Press the S button, correcto. Spread the voice about this video, correcto. Also, let me know down below, white pelox, if you think that there was something missing in this list, or if you think that it was maybe too much. Let me know your thoughts down below. Now I'm gonna switch to Spanish. Vámonos en español. Y 1, 2, 3. Ya estamos en vivo y en directo a través de nuestra página favorita, Imperiobnb. Espérate, antes de hacer eso, ahora sí. Ya estamos transmitiendo en vivo y en directo a través de nuestra página favorita, Imperiobnb. Y en este excelente martes, bueno, quiero compartir una lista que hemos creado especialmente para todos aquellos que estaban preguntando, bueno, ¿qué es lo que debe de tener mi cocina? ¿Cómo sé si mi cocina ya está completa para recibir huéspedes? Bueno, pues el día de hoy voy a compartir con ustedes un enlace aquí abajo en la cajita. A ver, va de nuevo por si no lo agarraron a la primera. Ahí está, ¿no? Ahora sí, para la versión en español. Correcto. Bien, ahí están los enlaces. Bien. Una vez más, ahora aquí, ahí está, en español. De esa manera, ustedes van a llegar a una lista y en esta lista tenemos las licuadoras, los cuchillos, los utensilios, los cubiertos, todo lo que tu cocina debe de estar al 100 para recibir tus huéspedes. Voy a compartir con ustedes mi pantalla. 1, 2, 3, aquí está. Esta es nuestra página en Kit de Imperiobnb. Tú le puedes dar clic aquí al enlace y que el enlace te va a llevar directamente aquí, ¿sí? Y bueno, como puedes ver, ahí están todos los utensilios. No te tienes que preocupar. Si quieres comprar esa cafetera, das un clic a ese enlace, 1, 2, 3, ¿y qué crees? ¡Boom! Te lleva directamente a la cafetera que nosotros estamos recomendando. Si no te gusta esa, bueno, escoges otra más, ¿no? Pero bueno, nosotros, aquí está lo que nosotros nos recomendamos. Azúcar, las cremitas, jabón para los trastes, servilletas, los guantes para sacar cosas calientes, un bote de basura grande, uno chico, microondas, tostador, bolsas de basura para hacer hielos, diferentes cosas de té, mantelitos para la mesa. En fin, todo está ahí, chicos, para que vayan, ustedes vean qué les falta, qué no les falta. Si les falta algo, lo pueden comprar directamente ahí. Ve también en esta lista y si crees que es mucho, házmelo saber aquí abajo en la cajita blanca. Si crees que le faltó algo, también déjamelo saber en la cajita blanca y me encargaré de agregarlo aquí a nuestra lista de la cocina para principiantes de Airbnb. Así que bueno, ahí está. Eso era lo que quería compartir con ustedes el día de hoy. Muchísimas gracias a los que vieron este video en vivo, como estaba el señor Francisco. Si tú viste la repetición, también muchísimas gracias. Ya lo sabes que si no estás haciendo dinero con Airbnb, ni siquiera estás haciendo centavos. Guys, thank you very much. If you saw this microcast live, I appreciate you. If you're watching the replay, also, I send you a virtual hug. Remember, if you're not making money with short-term rentals on Airbnb, what can I say? You're not even making sense. DJ, vámonos.